Here is how to log in at Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can log into your Badoo account. So let's start. First of all, open the Badoo app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. As you open the Badoo app, you'll get the login screen like this. Now you can log into your account by manually entering your email address or phone number and then entering your password. Or you can go to continue another way and then select whether you want to log in with Facebook or Google. Select the process by which you created your Badoo account. If you created your account by manually entering your phone number, then simply enter the phone number and password and then tap on sign in. However, if you created your Badoo account by using Facebook or Google, then tap on continue another way and then select the appropriate method and then enter the details. Since I created my account using a phone number, I'll simply enter the phone number and password and then tap on sign in. As you do that, you will be successfully logged into your Badoo account. So in this way, you can easily log in at Badoo. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.